students, welcome to Introduction to Accounting 1. This is for both my sections VO1 and VO2. This is Dr. Mercado speaking, and I hope all of you are looking forward to an amazing week. We are in week number 11, which runs from March the 29th through April the 4th. Now this week we are not going to be covering any content, rather we have a major assignment due this week. Okay, so what are we going to be doing this week? This week we're going to be completing test number 2 over chapters 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now the test is going to be available from Monday, March the 29th at 8 a.m. all the way through Wednesday, March 31st at 11 p.m. So you're going to have 3 full days that the test is going to be available to you. Okay, please mark your calendars, as I do not provide extensions or makeups. It is the student's responsibility to ensure that they know when the tests are due and that they complete it within the allotted time frame. Okay, now another important note, this week, week number 11, is a short week. Okay, the college is going to be closed for a semester break. So the college is going to be closed Thursday through Sunday. Okay, so Monday through Wednesday you complete your test, and then Thursday through Sunday you have off with no additional assignments due to the semester break. Okay, so that's what's going to be going down week number 11. Okay, now let me transition over to Blackboard. Okay, and regardless of if you're in my VO1 or my VO2 section, these two courses are identical. I'm just going to go into one of them. Okay, and I'm going to go into your course content for week number 11. Okay. Okay. So in week number 11, you're going to see the review for the test. I did make that available to you on week number 10. That way you could start practicing, and if you had any questions, you can get with me. Okay. Once the test becomes available, I will not be answering any content related questions. Okay. Before you attempt your test, please make sure you go back and you review your homework problems. Also, review the videos that I post. A lot of those videos, or some of those videos, include some of these problems that are going to be on your test. Listen to those videos. That way you can see, how did I solve those specific problems. Okay, I don't have videos for all of them, but most of them have a video attached. So please make sure that you go back to your prior weeks whenever we cover chapters 4, 5, and 6, and look at the resources available so you can prepare for your test. Okay, now the test is going to cover a problem similar to problem 410, which deals with journalizing and posting transactions. That is worth 45 points. Okay, then you're going to have a problem similar to problem 411, which deals with correcting errors. That's worth 15 points. You have a problem similar to problem 517, which deals with adjustments and correcting worksheet with errors. That is worth 35 points. You have a problem similar to exercise 6.5, which deals with closing entries. That is worth 20 points. And then you have a problem similar to problem 6.7, which is your financial statements. That is worth 35 points. The total points available for your test are 150 points. That is 15% of your overall grade. Okay. Now, students can go back into Cengage and review their prior homeworks and quizzes. Okay. You're only going to be able to view your solutions or your feedback if you attempted the homework. If you didn't attempt it, there's nothing for you to study. Okay, so that's why I encourage and I really require students to complete your weekly homework and quizzes. That way you can go back and have something to prepare and study. Okay. There's not going to be any makeups or extensions, so it is your responsibility to write it down and make sure that you remember that you have a test available Monday through Wednesday. Students are going to have 3 hours for each attempt. I do provide students with 2 attempts, and the highest grade is retained. Okay, so if you don't do so well, my recommendation is if you don't get a 70% or greater on your first attempt, please utilize the second attempt to try and improve your grade. Okay. I highly encourage all of you to use that second attempt to try to earn the most points possible. It's not going to affect you. I will still keep the highest grade. Okay. And like I said, the test is available from Monday through Wednesday. You have 3 full days to complete it. Please organize your time to ensure that you meet the test deadline. Okay. So that's what's going to be going down this week. Please practice, take good notes, prepare before you take the test. Okay. In this test, we're going to be covering 3 course learning objectives, which is to analyze and record business transactions in a manual and computerized environment. We're going to cover the preparation of our financial statements and also correcting accounting errors. So those three objectives are being met by completing test number 2. So you've got the link here for the test. That is the only assignment that you have this week. Okay. Uh, Please take your time when you're taking the test. Read the problems carefully. Have a calculator handy. I want to wish you all the best of luck in test number 2. It's 15% of your overall grade, so I highly encourage all of you to please give it your all. And then, of course, the later part of the week, you can enjoy it. You know what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm going to take the test. I'm going to complete all of my assignments for all of the rest of my classes, and then I'm going to have another short break Thursday through Sunday. Okay? So I wish all of you a great semester break. Best of luck in your test number 2. I know that you're going to do amazing because you've been doing amazing on all your assignments. So I know I'm very optimistic that you're going to do wonderful. And that is basically it for this lecture. Just make sure that you know that the test is due by Wednesday because I will not be available. The college will be closed, so I will not be available Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Okay? So I will only be answering any questions received Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay? So that is basically it. Have a fabulous week. Give it your all on your test number 2. And until next time, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.